Hey Encappers, today we're going to talk about the Penguin sprayer. It's a 5-gallon battery-powered portable sprayer, and it's awesome for putting down pre-spray applications or any other cleaning application you want to use it for. Really well built. We sell a lot of them here at Excellent Supply, so stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Penguin sprayer here at Excellent Supply. It's been a really popular sprayer for Encap applications, encapsulation detergent. Guys will spray it out with this. Also for pre-spray, really for anything that you want to use in a cleaning application. It's just a great all-around battery-powered sprayer. 5-gallon capacity, really well built, all steel construction that's powder coated, has an 80 psi pump, also has a 12-volt battery, and a smart battery charger built right in. What's a smart battery charger? That means that you can't overcharge it. So what you do is you plug it in at the end of the day and it tops itself up. It's not going to overcharge your battery. One of the nice features too is that our charger cord, and when you plug it in, if let's say you run out of juice during the day, just plug it in and you can continue to run with it even while it's charging on the fly, so to speak. On the back you'll notice you got this box back here for spotter bottles or whatever you want to put there, and I like to just put our charger cord in there as well. It has 8-inch non-marking wheels. It's very easy to transport and move around. Very stable. It's not going to flop over on you. It has a 20-foot recoil hose, so you can really park the machine and walk for 20 feet, and then it just recoils nicely and comes back together. The lance is stainless steel. It's actually a really well-built lance, and the sprayer handle, as you can see, this is just a really well-built piece of equipment. Now, I don't know how well this will show up on video, but I'm going to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at as far as its spray output. It has a nice fan spray. I don't know if you're able to see that or not, but really puts out a nice volume of spray, easy to control, just a great all-around sprayer. That's why we've sold so many of them here at Excellent Supply. So if you'd like one, give us a shout. You can call us or you can order it online and we'll give you a great deal on one of these Penguin sprayers. Thanks for watching and have a great day.